we're gonna start off with the wrapper. I like using this wrapper because it makes my egg rolls extra crunchy and it's also vegan. And then the next thing you'll need is mozzarella cheese. I'm using the fat-free one because I'm trying to be healthy. The next item you'll need is some Canadian bacon and also half an onion and some eggs. And also you'll need some tomatoes. Besides these ingredients, you'll need some salt, black pepper, butter, and then some oil to fry the egg rolls in. So once your eggs start to look like this, that means that you're ready to wrap the egg rolls. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna cut my mozzarella cheese. You could just tear this on top here. And mozzarella cheese is ready to be used. So get some mozzarella cheese. I already opened this bag. And then you're gonna get your egg roll wrappers. I'm just going to cut the back right here. It shows you how to wrap egg rolls in the back too if you don't know how to wrap egg rolls, which is useful for some people. So I'm gonna grab a wrapper. And it comes like this. It kind of feels thick like a wonton wrapper, this egg roll wrapper here. That's why when you fry it, it's extra crunchy. But make sure that you only use one wrapper. You see here? Right here. Be careful not to tear it, because you don't want any holes in your egg rolls. Alright, so here's the egg yolk that we saved. So I'm gonna beat it because it's gonna help me seal the egg rolls. Here's all my egg rolls wrapped and ready to be fried. I was able to get about 20 egg rolls from that mixture, and I have a little bit left over. This is gonna be for me because besides eating it like breakfast egg rolls, I also like to eat the mixture just with some sticky rice and some hot sauce. So I saved some, I put some aside for myself for that. Once your oil is ready, you can go ahead and add the egg rolls to the pan, and this egg roll won't take too long to cook because everything inside is already pre-cooked, so you just have to fry it to make the egg roll wrapper crispy. So let's get started. So I have my oil to medium-high heat, and now I'm going to drop my egg rolls in there. And we're going to gently put it in there because we don't want no oil to splash back on us. So I'm going to go ahead and gently put the egg rolls in there. And just do a couple egg rolls at a time. And you don't have to fry it for that long. You just have to fry it until the egg rolls are golden brown, because like I had mentioned before, the filling inside is already cooked, so you're not gonna have to spend a lot of cooking time. That's the beauty of this dish. It can you can get this dish done pretty quickly and have it ready to serve in not too long of a cooking time, because most of the ingredients in there are already cooked, so it's super easy. So once your egg rolls look golden brown like this, it's ready to serve. To just drain it on a paper towel. But this is how your egg rolls should look like. Once it looks like this, you're gonna take it out of the oil and set it on a paper towel to drain the oil. So this is how our breakfast egg roll came out. I'm serving it alongside with some ketchup. You can eat it with ketchup or you can eat it with some egg roll sauce. And I have some pickled vegetables. This is pickled carrots and radish if you want to eat it with that as well. But this is how I'm serving my breakfast egg roll. So now it's time to taste test our breakfast egg rolls. So I'm gonna grab one. And look at how crispy this looks. Let's break one open and see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, look at that gooey cheese. Yum. If you are a cheese lover, you will love this dish. I'm gonna try it with the ketchup and see how that tastes. Mmm. That is delicious. This is a great balance of the salty and the sweet. The crunchiness from the egg roll wrappers is so delicious. Mmm. Okay. This is pickled radish. This is pickled radish. You can eat it with this too. So I have some pickled radish, and I'm put some of the egg roll sauce in here. I'll see how it tastes like this. Mmm. Mmm. It tastes delicious with that too. Yummy. I hope you guys try out this recipe. It's absolutely delicious. I never tried breakfast egg rolls before, and I'm so glad I thought of this dish because it's super simple to make, and it will be a delight for your family and friends to share. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and see you guys in the next one.